Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
SB19 being SB19, aka chaotic. Let's see the chaos.
Okay na nakatayo. 1, 2, 3. I'm Josh.
Thank you for the flowers.
I'm Pablo. I'm Stel. I'm Ken. I'm Justin. SB19!
The crush that I had was actually in my hometown in Enos. And that was a really long time ago. I was still like 12, I think.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Wow, so that's 30 years.
Cut the cameras.
Parang si Edward Cullen dun eh, mampira ko dun eh. Pati yan, napakat sa leeg.
Wala ka ng leg.
Oh shit! He burned him!
That's funny.
Oh shit!
They ask you how you are, you're not really following. You just get into it because they look at wrong or something.
Who's most likely to fight their haters?
Here! No, it's the guy. I think every one of us. Because they're crybabies. No, because you know, like...
You're the best play!
That's what you
Ready, you're the best play. Shut up.
It's alive.
He said he's trying to go to sleep.
Yeah, let's wrap it up.
Lasang mangga. Kapag kakampi mo, huy. Hirap siyang ano eh. Pero wala akong naka...
This looks like one of those challenges they did in the show break with the ice cream, remember?
Ay, ano? Wrong ka o ganun paliwanag. Kasi sa atin ni Kuya Jay last time, yung wisdom na sinabi niya, kahit sobrang haba na po, kahit sobrang haba na ay, ano ba talaga? Fuck this shit, I'm out.
It's a concept. Medyo galing kami sa posa ko palit.
Video.
Bombastic side-eye.
Yeah, I think Ken likes like fight, because I think when we watched, didn't he say that he likes Muay Thai or something like that? For some reason I have that memory.
Nag-plan ka ba? Nung pumunta ka doon? Ako pakit-wifi ka?
Ako ayoko nang magpa-plan. Gusto ko kung ano may feel ng katawan ko.
Excuse me, why?
Tungaw, plan, phone, ng internet.
Target locked.
What is that?
That's suspicious.
May box na kulay blue.
A few moments later.
Ay, drop.
This was in the... We watched
Josh
this, I
Home,
think.
yeah.
Yeah, we watched this. Also, this is a pretty recent video then. Hold on. When did this video come out? Oh, April. Oh, I thought this was an old one. Okay.
Anong buhay mo? Habang nagluluto tayo ng kwento ka ha? Kumusta buhay mo nung SB19?
Dati po ako kulit. Yung mga nanonood dyan, yung mga walang kadate.
Okay.
Ano mga bagay na bumabalik yung Elising ginagawa? Boomerang. Ano? Dali. Aso. Petio. Yo-yo. Ay, ping pong ball. Bola. Binabounce. Ang problema, pabalik-balik lang ako. Ikaw, di mo tumatawa ka siya. Kunwari, wala nang isip. Mabalik. Ano susunod na babalik? Ganun mo. Uhog mo. Pag tumulog, gagawin mo.
Disgusting shit.
Style is funny.
He actually is. He's pretty like
Super shady.
yeah, he's a little shady. Yeah.
Ay, iba na yun. Pagkabuya na yun. Mga bagay na nakatayo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hala! Building! Ano ba? Ikaw? Kung ikaw binigyan ni Maria ng 10 apples, binigyan ka naman ni Peter ng 10 banana. Binigyan ka ni Marilu ng 20 banana. At binigyan ka na naman ni Jocelyn ng 5 atis. Ano ang sasabihin mo? Si Mang Jose, meron siyang anak. Ano pa? 5. 5? Bakit naman? Ayaw nga, ilan eh.
I guess still has a lot of siblings. I assume
He's got
because
too many.
Kung nasa pamilya natin, ilan kayo magkakapatid, may narinig ka ba sa amin?
it seems like that was a pretty funny episode.
In-invite ako pag mag-perform. Magdadala ako ng speakers.
You know, I noticed every time he speaks in his language and an English word. Speakers.
They go that Taglish
Sino gusto mo? Ako. Ano dadalhin mo?
microphone.
Dadalhin ko yung mic. Ay! Sino pa gusto mo, Mama? Dadalhin mo. Ay, hindi ka kasama.
Magdadala ako ng ng toothbrush.
Ay, kasama. Ikaw.
I love this game. We should play it sometime.
What is it? I don't know.
Someone makes a statement and you have to guess the clue. What's the correct thing to bring? Like, okay.
So what's wrong with the shoes but not with the toothbrush? Why can't you bring the shoe? I don't know.
You could bring the tooth because it's part of the riddle. You have to figure out what's the clue he's giving you to understand what to bring.
I don't understand.
We can play the game together.
Okay.
Magdadala ako ng... Sinaron! Sinaron! Ikaw!
Nadala ako supot. Ayan din.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring a purse. I'm gonna be included.
Sige, punta naman tayo sa Cambodia. Punta tayo sa Cambodia, magdadala ako ng... Upuan na din.
So I'm gonna bring cheese.
Gagaling ko naman kama.
He's not invited.
Nadala ako lang. Nagets ko na.
I don't know. Everything that started with C?
Could be, yeah.
Well, anyway, that was a funny video.
Yeah, it made me laugh.
Yeah, that especially until that game. The game I didn't get.
Style is so hilarious. They're so shady.
He's shady as fuck.
Guys, of course, continue to send your requests. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.